Okay, so this is our Reese's. We're going to ungroup this as usual. I'm going to change the name. Let's see. I don't necessarily like that, so I'm going to adjust the spacing a little bit. Let's see about this. Nope, too much. So let's just go with tight. Make it look a little better. Move this up, and I'll do chocolate unicorn. And I'll put first birthday. And I'll just put like in here. Let's ungroup this. I want to mess with the words here, so I'll put magical fun. And again, this is just me doing this. I don't think that this will ever be like an ultimate design for me. I would put a little more thought into this one, but for the sake of YouTube, I wanted to show you all this. So let's say we could change up the colors. I want to change the color on here. Let's bring that unicorn back in since we're sticking with our unicorn theme. Where are we? Sorry about that. So I just copied it and pasted it. Go ahead and pull in a new color. And sometimes what you'll see is people do like a pattern background on this. So let's go ahead and do that. Shape fill. Let's do a pattern. I could make this even glitter if I wanted to. So let me go grab some glitter backgrounds. And see what I like. Let's just use this one right now for the sake of this tutorial. I definitely don't want this outline on here because it's horrible. Don't want it to be that color. Actually, let's go with a different color. Let's go with purple because the background is going to be that color. Yep. I'm change this to be maybe still stick with that purple color. You know, play with it. Do as you so please. Come up with your own design method. Do a smaller weight on this. I'm going to do the same thing here. You don't want to bring your words out too much because that's going to impact where you see it, how you see it on your chocolate bar. So let's go ahead and get this thing in a position where we like it. I'm actually going to take out the net weight because I don't want that in here on this version. I'm just going to delete that out completely. I'm going to change the color of those Reese cups again because I don't like them that color. You know, so have your fun with it. Do as you so please. Again, this is just for tutorial purposes. some way that I could show you guys how to use it. And yeah, so I'm going to save this as a PNG so I could do my mock-up. Come over to my mock-up, make sure everything is ungrouped. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Does not seem as though it is ungrouped, so let's just confirm it's not. So I want this up here, this down here. I'm going to come in and grab what I just made. Sorry that I'm breathing so heavy and that I sound congested. I do apologize about that. It's this weather, very cold right now. So let's crop this. So we don't have all that excess blue. Crop it down about there. I'm going to copy this again. You guys know what I do. Format this. And get rid of that. So now I have some Reese's. Select all. Got a Reese's cup, you know? So you get to save this as a picture and you get to insert this, or you could just show it to your customer like this. So a few different options for you to use. There we go. All right. So hope that helped and thank you for watching.